TV5 DWET-TV. TV5 is a commercial broadcast station authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number BSD-0012-2012, REN 0864 to expire on November 21, 2017. The TV5 transmitter is located at 762 Quirino Highway, San Bartolome, Novaliches, Quezon City. The TV5 studio complex is located along Reliance Street, corner Sheridan Street, Guayang Bato, Mandaluyong City. TV5 operates with a transmitter power of 60 kilowatts. TV5 network engineering is headed by Rodrigo G. Carandang, PECE number 0000005. TV5 transmission engineering personnel are duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional electronics engineer Hernando C. Malobi, PECE number 0000423. Electronics engineers Marjon V. Layuga, PECE number 0042867. Brian Carlo Villar, PECE number 0058431. And first-class radio telephone operators Armando G. Armada, 95-1PNCR-13661. Danilo P. Anoos, 93-1PVII-2513. Adolfo M. Garay, 97-1PNCR-19107. And Robert A. Espana, 2K-1PHN-24096. TV5 programs are seen nationwide via TV5 and affiliate stations. TV5 stations, Channel 5, Metro Manila, Channel 2, Lawag, Channel 28, Baguio, Channel 32, Bacolod, Channel 21, Cebu, Channel 21, Cagayan de Oro, Channel 2, Davao, Channel 12, General Santos. Affiliate stations are Channel 32, Vigan, Channel 25, Santiago, Channel 28, Baler, Channel 24, Tarlac, Channel 22, Olongapo, Channel 44, Batangas, Channel 50, Alapan, Channel 22, Naga, Channel 6, Legazpi, Channel 47, Sorsogon, Channel 9, Puerto Princesa, Channel 25, Boracay, Channel 36, Guimaras, Channel 4, Tacloban, Channel 34, Malaybalay, Channel 48, Oroquieta, Channel 10, Marawi, Channel 11, Zamboanga. Ladies and gentlemen, TV5 DWET-TV is now signing off.